Hey guys, Keaton here with TechSmart, and there's tons of 3D printing here at CES 2014. While 3D printing is not a new kind of concept we've seen, 3D food printing is, and the folks over at 3D Systems, but more specifically ChefJet, have just revolutionized the entire market. So they're coming out with the ChefJet and then the ChefJet Pro, which can print many types of sweet food. Now this is really targeted towards bakers. How it actually does this is it dusts a light coat of powdered sugar, then goes over it with water and flavoring, and that's how you kind of build up your 3D shape. Now this takes a long time, it's not an instant process, and then it actually can go ahead and print 3D food at an inch per hour. So hopefully in the future we can see this speeding up as pretty much everything technology related has sped up. So the lower end model, the standard ChefJet, can only do one color and one flavor, which I'd be more than happy with. But then the ChefJet Pro can actually do multiple flavors and multiple colors, and you can get these seriously dynamic shapes on both the ChefJet and the ChefJet Pro. Now in terms of pricing here, the standard ChefJet comes in at just under $5,000, and then the ChefJet Pro actually comes in at around $10,000. But for 3D printing in terms of the food category, this is super ideal for bakers. So after speaking to the creator who let me try a few samples, it tasted actually pretty good. I tried one that was cherry and blueberry kind of mixed and morphed, and it just tasted like cherries and blueberries in a sugary kind of format. So there's definitely a future in 3D printing, and more specifically in the food category. Again, the creator spoke with me and said they're going to be expanding into starch categories, so we might have 3D printed hamburgers sometime in the future. Hopefully that'd be kind of cool, and it kind of brings the whole industrial process to conventional cake baking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video where we covered 3D food printing. If you guys enjoyed with 3D printing, but more specifically 3D food printing, drop me a like down below as it really lets me know you guys want more of this cool content. Also, throw me a comment down below letting me know what kind of shape you'd have 3D food printed, as there's so many shapes and different sizes it can do. It's truly versatile. Finally, go and subscribe to the channel for more CES 2014 coverage. Thanks, bye-bye.